We are feeding our future to a starving giant. Every day, the massive power demands of red AI push our planet closer to the brink. But what if the spell to save our world wasn't a fantasy, but pure mathematics? Welcome to the revolution of green AI. Powered by the Koopman-Kalman Safeguard, we are stripping away computational waste and replacing it with engineering elegance. Running high-performance systems on low-power hardware. And to guide us through this shift, meet Wizard Ali. Prepare to step into a world where abstract math meets human emotion, and discover how the ultimate safeguard for our planet's future is already here.
We tend to think of artificial intelligence as weightless. We interact with it through a screen, assuming the processing happens in a frictionless digital space we call the cloud. But the cloud is heavy, and the physical toll of training large language models is currently pushing our ecological limits to the breaking point. This bar chart reveals the global electricity consumption of data centers and AI workloads. Notice the sharp projection for the year 2026. It jumps to 1,050 terawatt-hours. A terawatt-hour is a massive unit of energy, equal to 1 trillion watt-hours, enough to power a large city for an entire year. Generating that electricity is only half the problem. In the United States alone, data centers consumed 17 billion gallons of water in 2023, specifically for cooling massive server farms to prevent the hardware from melting down. The current generative AI boom relies entirely on brute force physical resource extraction. It requires mining heavy metals, draining local reservoirs, and stressing regional power grids. In academic circles, this brute force approach is known as red AI. It prioritizes maximum accuracy through massive computational power, completely ignoring the environmental cost. It mirrors Thomas Edison's early strategy for the electrical grid, relying on heavy, inflexible infrastructure and raw power to force a result. Part of this waste comes from how we control the hardware. Much of the industry relies on PID controllers. A PID is a standard feedback loop that reacts to errors after they happen. Because it operates reactively, it constantly overcorrects and overshoots its target temperature or power limit, burning excess electricity with every single oscillation. The dominant tech companies insist the only way forward is to build larger data centers and manufacture more power-hungry processors. However, independent research laboratories are proving that the solution lies in the opposite direction. We do not need to build larger servers to handle complex AI. We need to rewrite the underlying mathematical logic that controls them. The alternative to the brute force method is the Koopman-Kalman Safeguard, or KKS. This is green AI. Unlike standard AI, which operates as an opaque black box, KKS is a white box model, meaning its internal logic is completely transparent, mathematically provable, and highly efficient. This diagram maps the Koopman-Kalman Safeguard. The Koopman operator flattens chaotic systems into linear equations. Next, the Kalman filter estimates the true state, cutting transmission energy. Finally, the CBF box guarantees safe limits, hitting targets without wasteful overcorrections. Because KKS predicts the system's behavior before errors occur, it achieves a state of zero overshoot. This completely eliminates the physical energy waste caused by reactive computing. When you refine the math to this level, you achieve what engineers call hardware deletion, the ability to completely remove expensive, power-hungry physical equipment because the software no longer needs it. Complex industrial controls that currently demand massive, expensive server racks can now be executed flawlessly on a $5 ESP32 microcontroller. An ESP32 is a tiny, low-cost microchip with integrated Wi-Fi, small enough to balance on your fingertip. This raises an obvious question. If this mathematical architecture is cheaper, safer, and drastically reduces carbon emissions, why isn't every major tech company using it right now? The answer lies in the information deficit model, the flawed assumption that simply giving people correct facts will change their behavior. History proves otherwise. Nikola Tesla had superior, highly efficient alternating current engineering, but Thomas Edison had the marketing and the narrative to dominate the early electrical grid. A mathematical breakthrough cannot save the planet if the public and industry are too intimidated by the equations to adopt it. The researchers developing green AI realized they had to bypass human psychology. To defeat tech monopolies, they needed a framework that wraps rigorous science in cultural symbolism. This diagram illustrates the Trinity model. It requires balancing three identities: the engineer for mathematical accuracy, the architect for storytelling, and the marketer to navigate algorithms. Notice the pink circle on the left. Anchored by Wizard Ali, the wizard is a psychological archetype representing someone who masters the hidden forces of nature to bring order to chaos. By using a friendly, animated wizard, the creators provide a non-threatening entry point for audiences who would normally panic at the sight of calculus. This enables two highly effective tactics. First is character SEO, where developers invent a unique fictional name that becomes a highly searched keyword, avoiding the crowded, corporate-dominated search terms. Second is stealth learning, which packages doctoral-level AI concepts inside an entertaining fantasy universe, teaching the audience without them realizing it. Storytelling is the cognitive infrastructure required to deploy complex technological solutions at a global scale. This brings us to a strategy called the paradigm split. Instead of trying to compromise with Silicon Valley, green AI advocates aggressively frame brute force red AI as an obsolete, destructive relic of the past, while positioning physics-informed mathematics as the only enlightened path forward. This levels the playing field. It gives independent researchers the cultural leverage to challenge the monopolies of massive tech giants. The survival of our ecosystem depends on marrying the absolute precision of zero-overshoot mathematics with the emotional resonance of human myth. To pull the world back from the brink of an energy crisis, the technology of the future cannot simply run the numbers. It must become a story that humanity actively chooses to believe in.
The battle for our planet's future won't be won with bigger servers or brute force. It will be won with smarter science and better stories. Wizard Ali has shown us the path. The Koopman-Kalman Safeguard proves that true power lies in elegance, transforming the energy-hungry red AI into a sustainable green AI future. The math is proven. The story is unfolding. Now, it's your turn to be part of the change. Embrace the science, share the story, and let's engineer a greener tomorrow together.